Hi everyone, welcome to this new Meshmoon short tutorial number 12. Today I'm going to show you how to create some hovering text on an object. So let's create an object using the build mode, and we're going to create some simple sphere. So here it is. Then let's just move it a little. Okay, we can leave the build mode, and now let's go in Tools, Scene, open the scene structure, double click on the sphere entity that we've created. That opens the entity editor. Then here right click and add new component. So we're going to choose the hovering text. Press enter. Okay, so now in our object, in our entity, we have added a new component named hovering text, and there are not so much parameters to move inside it actually. So for example, we don't need to move background, border, or corner radius, or maybe we can change the font color, for example, and put it to white. And the font size, I see, also is interesting. Then we don't need to move those gradient and start. And what we need to do is to go here in text, so we can write something like hovering text, for example. Okay, so we can see that the text is inside our object. So first we're going to move it up in the position here in Y. We move it up to 1. And secondly, we're going to change the texture height and texture white to, I don't know, 500 maybe would be better. Yes, or maybe let's say 750. Okay, so now we can see I can close this. We don't need to change any other parameters unless we want to change color or change white and height of our texture here. But now we can close this window and this one, and you can see that text is following my camera of the avatar, so I'm always in front of it. Okay, so that's it. This is how to create a simple hovering text. See you soon in the next tutorial.